guys, welcome back. Today's video is a Halloween special for Halloween Night Punch. Let's get started. Start with 1 cup of pineapple juice and 2 cups of cranberry juice. Note that this can be box juice. Squeeze a lemon, which is around 2 tablespoons. Add 1.5 cups of soda or tonic water and mix this well. Add in more ice cubes and lemon slices. Note that if being kept for more than 2 hours, do not add the lemon slices, as it may infuse it to be bitter. This is such a refreshing punch. Your friends are sure to enjoy it. Subscribe if you want to. If you liked the video, smash that like button and let us know what you would like to see next in the comment section down below. Until next time, happy baking!